This video solves a simple error which I have here now in my Angular application. I'm developing now since a small time of pausing again with Angular, and I created a small article component, and then I dropped it into my home component in HTML and said, okay, here article component, and as soon as I start that site, then there comes the loading doesn't go on, and the error will be very simple. You see, this is always uncaught error, template and parse error, article component is not a known element. And then first check if it's here in your add module. In add module it's there, but there's a absolutely more simple error. When you are in your article component, here take this selector. Take the selector, and I didn't take the selector. Selector is always this one which you are dropping as a tag in your file. Then you say Control S for save. You're reloading, and now the application is running. So take the selector and then drop it in there.